lovelies, we have come with the most stunning Rakhi makeup look inspired by none other than everybody's heartthrob Deepika Padukone. To achieve this look, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and thumbs button, and welcome ultimately to our soul blooming beauty. Looking at her skin looks extremely luminous and shiny, and I am prepping my skin with the Envive toner following Envive Vitamin C serum and aloe vera gel to get that brighten up face. Now for maintaining that shine constantly, I am using Swiss Beauty highlighting primer in the shade pink tint to get that pinky glow, and following up with the foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 128, which gives a demi matte finish, and I am applying it with a flat top kabuki brush as I haven't color corrected today. Deepika's face is more chiseled than that of mine, and she has a contoured face, but it looks natural. For that, first I will be contouring with the dark color foundation, which is Maybelline Fit Me 300, and over I will be using Envive contour stick and will be applying with the same foundation kabuki brush, as the contour shade will mix with the residue of foundation. It will more look like a skin, and I will be contouring the nose extra to make it slender. Her face is pretty highlighted. For what I will be using Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade light, and I am applying it in the highlighting areas such as tip of the nose, underneath jawline and forehead where light focuses the most, and setting it lightly with the Blue Heaven Sapphire powder with the powder brush, and will be applying the same concealer over the lids, prepping my lids for the eyeshadow which is coming the next. Seeing her eyes, it's a burnt orange brown smoky eyes. I am using the Wet n Wild palette, which is named as Rose in the Air, which is a dupe of Anastasia Beverly Hills. As you can see the shades 1, 2, 3, 4, I will follow the look accordingly with a tapered blending brush. I will take the orange shade 1 and placing it right above my crease as I have hooded eyes, and blending it in a windshield wiper motion, and will be further softening the look with the shade name as 2 and mixing both the shade, and then with the flat brush I will be placing the deep brown shade name as 3, and then again blending the whole thing. I will be using Sugar eyeshadow pencil in the shade 05 Jasper Jazz, and will with a small pencil brush will be blending it the whole thing with the other shadows. To bold up further, I am using eyeliner by Faces Canada. I will tight lining my upper lashes with Lakme Iconic Eye, and in the lower lashes till the eye bags, what Deepika and me both resemblance, will be defining with the shade 01 from the palette. And further curling my lashes and using two mascaras by Maybelline for the upper lashes and Lotus for the lower lashes. Her lashes look pretty curled out, so will apply falsies only in the inner and outer corner, and will be highlighting the highlighting shade from the palette name as 4, and will be curling the whole of the lashes as her lashes look pretty winged out and bigger. Dusting the whole of the excess powder, will be defining the contour places with the Stay Quirky Cheeky blush in the shade Apricot Babe 2, which is a demi matte bronzer shade, and then I will be blushing my cheeks with the lip and cheek tint from Lakme, which is named as Fuchsia, and over that I will be using a foundation which is a streak here to match it like a skin, and her brows look pretty filled in. For that I will be using Hilary Rhoda eyebrow powder in the shade 02, and then I will be using the Stay Quirky liquid highlighter in the shade 01, and following that I will be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Rose Petals, and then for lips I will be using two shades which is named as baked brown from Miss Claire, and for the orange shade I will be using the Blue Heaven lipstick in baked brown, and fixing the whole thing with the Blue Heaven fixer. I am completing the look with the Ted Baker body mist, as without mist Rakhi is incomplete, and to match the whole look I am in orange kurta and some long earrings made by me, combining 3 earrings. I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks to my Masi who gave me courage to make this look of Deepika. Thanks to my editing partner Brishti Mojumdar. If you plan to recreate this look, please tag me. My social is listed below, and please subscribe to our channel. All the product will be in the description box. Hope to see you with a brand new one. Bye guys.